What was the biggest risk you've taken? Got married at only 19. Still married, though, at 63. Same guy lol. Well, I don't mean to toot my own horn here, but I once played on the Wii without using the safety. As just how us renegades roll. Moving halfway across the country to start over with a new life and new job. Walking away from my long-term relationship. Trusting that fart while stuck in I-85 traffic last week. Not believing in God. If hell is real, I'm screwed. Finally had the balls to ask out my long-term friend who I had been in love with.